This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is check for your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if not internet connection, make sure that you connect it to your cellular network and have a proper data. After that, what you can do is just go to the settings of your device, and then all you have to do is scroll down to apps, then tap on manage apps, and you just need to scroll down to find the Play Store application over here. So just search for Play Store, then tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache, and if possible you can also go for clear all data and delete all the data. Even if this doesn't solve the issue, you can tap on settings again and then tap on about phone and look for any updates if they're available for your devices. So it says no updates available. Now go back and turn off and tap on reboot and restart the device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.